Kalau di orang Indonesia dia tuh nyablak ya, jadi orangnya apa adanya gitu, nggak yang oh my darling, no, not like that, you not like that.
No.
Halo teman-teman semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Teh Watie dan
Rampus.
saya Teh Watie dan
Brett.
Sampurasun.
Sampurasun. Oh, Rampus. Okay.
Sampurasun.
Rampus. Oh, kadang-kadang right? Kumaha daramang.
Kumaha daramang. Halo teman-teman semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Teh Watie dan
Rampus.
Halo teman-teman semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Teh Watie dan
Brett.
Sampurasun.
Rampus.
Kumaha daramang.
What's wrong with you?
You just say
You
that.
say it properly. Kumaha daramang.
Again.
Kumaha daramang. Kumaha daramang.
Oke, teman-teman. Jadi di video kali ini, halo teman-teman semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Teh Watie dan
Brett.
Sampurasun.
Rampus. Kumaha daramang. Daramang.
Iya.
Oke. Kumaha daramang.
Oke, teman-teman, jadi di video kali ini Kang Brett mau buat konten katanya tentang slang, perkataan slang Australia ya. Aku nggak dikasih tahu apa itu.
Aussie slang.
Aussie slang katanya. Aussie slang. Aku nggak dikasih tahu ya teman-teman. Jadi, oke, kita mulai. What you gonna?
Okay, so we're gonna cover off and see if Watie knows her Australian slang. Words that we use in Australia all the time, pretty what each other's saying.
Excuse me, can you speak slowly?
Oh,
You know
okay.
your wife don't speak English properly.
Okay, these are words that we say in Australia very often, and we all know what each other are talking about, but other people don't understand. It's called Aussie slang. That
So
means
only-
it's a short for Australian language.
So only Australian people know it.
Most Australians, some of these words all around the world now. You know,
So another country they don't know.
yeah, New Zealand maybe know, but they have different slang. England they might know, but they don't have the slang. It all comes from the English language, but is Australian slang because Australia was founded in 1788. A very long time ago. We got isolated from the rest of the world for a long time, and we come up with our own language.
Oh, in Indonesia also have slang word.
Yeah, of course.
So
Slang is all across the world.
yeah. We in Indonesia also have, but I don't know a lot about slang words in big city like in Jakarta, something like that.
Yeah, it's just like a dialect.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
So-
what slang words do you know already?
What like Straya.
Straya. Okay, Straya with an S, not with an A-U-S.
Straya, man.
So we're going to go Australia, mate.
Straya, man.
Yeah, we go Australia, mate. If I say, hey, you from Australia, mate?
Okay.
And then someone's from Australia, they know. Yeah. So
Like-
Australia is you take off the AU and you take off the N, so Australia, not Australia. Australia.
Straya.
Australia, mate. And mate.
Wait, my
Everyone in Australia is your mate. Or it could be the person walking down the street. Hey, get out of the way.
This is so rude.
This is bloody hell is Australian slang as well. You say bloody hell, it means hey, what's going on?
Oke. Jadi si Kang Brett ini orangnya gimana ya? Enggak, not romantic ya.
Not romantic.
No.
Why? What's she
Because
saying? What's she saying?
no, because you like kalau di orang Indonesia dia tuh nyablak ya. Jadi orangnya apa adanya gitu, nggak yang oh my darling, no, not like that, you know, like that,
no,
not
okay.
kind like that, not kind buldasto.
No.
Jadi dia tuh apa adanya, nggak bisa romantik ya, kayak ngasih bunga. Have you give me flower?
Of course. Remember that one time I gave you flowers and you tore them up and threw them around the room. You were so furious because I buy you a long stem. Now, in the West, long stems cost extra more because it shows that they were the best flowers. But for Watie, she wanted the short stem.
Enggak, soalnya kan waktu itu kita baru kenal ya. The time we just first meet, right?
Yeah, Valentine's Day.
Iya, Valentine's Day. Dia beliin aku bunga kesukaanku, lili.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask Watie. I'm going to tell her some slang words, and then I'm going to ask her what she thinks it means. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Number 1, servo. Servo.
Don't give me so hard. I don't know. You know, I only 6 months here.
Servo, you know what? We add an O to the end of a word. We shorten a word and add an O to it. What's it? So what starts with serve? You have a guess.
Serve?
Servo. It's a place. Servo. We go there all the time.
Where is it?
Okay, servo is Australian slang for service station or petrol station. So we go to the servo and fill up the car.
Oh my gosh. How I know? I don't know. That is so hard for me.
Okay, well, let's move to the next one. Okay, now, this is one of my favorites. Baby, do you know what a sanger is?
Huh?
A sanger.
Sanga?
Yeah, what's a sanger?
Sanga.
Sanger.
How is spelling?
S-A-N-G-E-R. We'll put pictures of these things up in the corner so you know, but she still doesn't know. Oh, it's a tough one. Okay, it's a sandwich.
Oh my
So you'll make me for lunch. Hey, baby, can I have a ham and cheese sanger?
Sanga?
Yeah, sanger.
You never told me.
Well, you never make my lunch. I get my sanger from the shop.
Oh my god. S-A-N-G-A.
Sanger, yeah.
Sanga. Lihat, dari sandwich ke sanga. Oh, jauh banget ya, teman-teman. Itu yang apa? Petrol station juga, dari petrol station ke servo. Oh.
Yeah. Servo.
Server.
So, hey, let's go down to the servo and get a sanger.
Oh, good idea.
Okay, next one. I'll make this one a little bit easier. What is a Barbie?
Okay, this one I know.
Oh, you know this one?
Yeah,
we have.
Yeah, because I mean I know some word. So Barbie is barbecue.
That's right. It's a barbecue, but we just call it Barbie.
Barbie.
See?
Kan?
BBQ, barbecue takes 3 syllables. Australia, we're so lazy. It's so hot. When you go north, oh, so much more slang. The norther you go, the more slang. So
Where is north?
North.
Yeah.
Cairns.
Oh.
Yeah. But we want to shorten the words. We always shorten the words. So instead of barbecue, it's just Barbie.
Yeah, Barbie. Kayak boneka Barbie ya. Same like Barbie the dolls.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Lihat, dari barbecue jadi Barbie. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Next
You
one.
ready?
Yeah.
You want a hard one or an easy one?
Easy one, of course.
Okay. What is brekkie?
This one I know also.
Oh, you do not.
I don't know.
Okay.
Brekkie, it's mean breakfast.
Ah, that's right. We always shorten the word. So it's breakfast, brekkie. Ah, let's go have a Barbie for breakfast.
Let's go have Barbie for brekkie.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Next one. What's true blue?
Huh?
Okay, let's go to Aussie first. What's Aussie?
Aussie mean Australia.
Okay.
I love Australia.
Okay, Aussie mate. Okay, so what's true blue?
Huh?
What's true blue?
True. Huh?
True blue.
True blue.
What's true blue?
I never heard about it.
Oh,
Now because you know I just 6 months, 7 months here, so of course I don't know lots about slang word of Australia.
okay.
So what is
True Blue's a real Australian. True Blue Aussie mate.
True Blue Aussie mate?
Yeah, it's real Australian.
So True Blue is real Australian?
Yeah.
Like you?
Yeah, genuine Australian.
Okay.
So you could still be Aussie, but you can't be True Blue Aussie mate.
Okay.
Okay?
Maybe in the future, 3 years later or 5 years.
You can never be True Blue Aussie mate.
Oh yeah.
True Blue Aussie mate, born here. You're when we have a child, then the child is True Blue Aussie mate.
Okay.
But you can be Aussie, that's okay.
Hopefully one day we have True Blue.
Okay. Well, it'll be good, not like you. Oh, okay, and what does fair dinkum mean?
Huh?
Fair dinkum.
Fair income? Maybe honestly I only know very
Don't stop
easy.
making excuses. You just make a guess. It's okay.
Fair income?
Fair dinkum, mate.
Maybe you have to give me some clue.
Okay. Okay, I use it in a sentence.
Okay, what is it?
Fair dinkum, True Blue Aussie mate. Fair dinkum, True Blue Aussie mate.
Sorry, you have quite so stupid.
Okay, fair dinkum means it's 100% true.
Oh. So like original.
Are you beautiful? Fair dinkum.
Mm,
Ah. Are you Australian? Fair dinkum.
no.
No, but me. Am I Australian?
Fair income.
No, you say it. Fair dinkum.
How is spelling?
Fair, F-A-I-R, dinkum,
F or
D-I-N-K.
P?
There's no P. Fair.
Oh, fuchak.
Fair. Like Advanced Australia Fair. You say P again, are you?
Like this?
No, fair. F, not P.
Like this, F.
Yeah, fair. Do another easy one. This is very tough. She doesn't like to learn the Australian language. She's always
No.
talking to her friends in Indonesian on the phone.
No, doesn't mean I don't like to learn about Australian language. You know, I only 6-7 months here and I don't have Australian friends.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm going to give you two which are to do with places you go and eat. Okay, the first one, Macca's.
McDonald's. I know. My favorite.
Yeah.
Our favorite.
I don't like it, but Watie likes it all the time, so we have to go there. But Macca's, they don't call it sometimes in Australia, even on the sign on the street, the big W, we'll show you one. It's actually called Macca's, not McDonald's. Macca's. Okay, and the next one, Risol.
Risol?
Risol.
Yeah, risol may be the food. You know, risoles.
Yeah, like Risol.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is a place.
Oh.
A place you go to get the food, a place you go do things. It's called the Risol.
I thought risol is a food.
You should know this one. A Risol is food, but this place we go to, we have fun, we have entertainment, we drink some beer sometimes,
mean
and
bar
there's some
or
food,
pub?
something like this. It's called a Risol. What do you think it's called? Which one is it?
Bar or pub?
Yeah, which one? Not Magati. You work there. What's it called?
Oh, RSL.
RSL. We just call it the Risol. So RSL means Returned Services League. It's the pub for all the people who have gone to war, and they like to collect there and meet and talk and all this. And they have restaurants, and many people go there now.
Okay.
So the Risol.
Okay, risol.
Risol. Okay, so next one. What are we up to? Oh, okay. This one's fun.
I cannot see because I didn't use my glasses.
Oh, so I don't have to hide it?
I know, yes, because I can't see it.
Okay. What is a drongo?
Huh?
A drongo.
Maybe drunk people?
Oh, close. It's a fool. A fool. You know a fool? A silly person? Hey, don't be a drongo, mate. It's a fool. A silly person. If you're walking down the street and the person is being silly, you know, doing something stupid, you go, hey, drongo! Hey, you, the drongo over there. Don't be a drongo.
Okay.
Okay. What about a gala? Gala. Hey, gala. Gala. Okay, this one's hard. Okay, a gala is an Australian bird. You know the cockatoo. Everyone knows the cockatoo. You know the white and the
yeah, and
the
then very
gold.
noisy like you.
Yeah. Well, the gala is like this. It's a parrot, but it's a little bit smaller, and it means a fool as well. Yeah, you're a gala. Oh, my wife is such a gala. Gala, but they're called gala. And we relate it to why they're a fool or something silly, because in the Northern Territory, in Darwin, you know Darwin?
Yeah.
All the way up, it's near Indonesia, very close to Indonesia. In summer, the fruit falls off the trees and it sits in the sun very hot, and it bakes in the fruit and it becomes alcohol, and the galahs eat the fruit. And in Darwin, at certain times of the year, the galahs, all drunk, walking around the streets. I'll show you the video. We put the video on, you can see. It's so funny. The birds get so drunk they can't fly. Okay. And okay, next one is chock-a-block. What's chock-a-block? Chock-a-block, have a guess. Chock-a-block.
Maybe chalk and then block.
No. Chock-a-block means full. Hey, let's go to the pub. Oh no, it's chock-a-block, mate.
Okay, you give me hard slang word. I don't know all of this.
Okay, come back next time. We're gonna do new slang words when Watie has had 2 or 3 more months. We're gonna do more slang words.
Maybe after 2 years I'm here. Maybe.
I think after 2 years you should know them all. But I think every 3 months we do another video and I test you with more slang words, because there's so many slang words.
Oke, jadi aku tuh nggak tahu banyak ya slang word. Kata di Indonesianya yang mungkin kayak di itu loh, kayak yang apa ya, pokoknya yang di gue lu kayak gitu kali ya mungkin. Tapi ya emang aku nggak tahu banyak karena aku masih baru di sini. Oke teman-teman, semoga terhibur ya dengan slang word Australia. Aussie mate,
fair dinkum Aussie mate. We didn't cover the best one. Hang on. Bonus word. G'day.
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 So something like have a good day.
Yeah. Let's have a good day. But it's for everything now. G'day mate.
G'day mate. Oke. Terima kasih udah menonton video kita hari ini. Semoga terhibur ya teman-teman. Sampai jumpa di next vlog. Assalamualaikum. Salam sampurasun.
Sampurasun.